Hello all, let's just go through Dhan app and see how to place your first trade. As you open your Dhan app, the first section is your home page. Home page पर ही आपको सारा डिस्कवरी ऑफ डिफरेंट सेगमेंट्स देखने को मिलेगा. स्टॉक, ऑप्शंस, म्यूचुअल फंड्स, कमोडिटीज. देयर आर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशंस अबाउट द मार्केट्स एंड क्विक एक्सेस टू डिफरेंट ट्रेडिंग टूल्स एंड मार्केट इन्फॉर्मेशंस. नीचे आपके सामने यहाँ पे वॉच लिस्ट सेक्शन है. यू कैन क्रिएट योर वॉच लिस्ट. यू कैन क्रिएट 10 वॉच लिस्ट. इन ईच वॉच लिस्ट you can add 100 scripts, and similarly you can create 10 groups of 10 watch lists here. Then there is a portfolio page. You can check your net worth, your stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, banks, external bank accounts, external stocks, external mutual funds, and your small case portfolio as well. You have all the orders and positions in the orders tab, your open positions, your pending orders and successful orders, your super orders, flash trade, baskets, forever order, SIPs, draft, and everything. This is the money section where you will get all information about your trading account and balances. This is the money available for your investing. There is a margin summary. You can add money from this page or you can withdraw as well from this page itself. Now, how to place your first trade? Simply, if you are aware about any stock, simply go to search section, search for that stock, or you can get an idea from the stock section where you can see the list of stocks based on trending on Dhan, or you can simply go to the movers and gainers section. I'll click on the Eternal. I'll have the company page of the Eternal here where I can see the line charts and all the information about this company. I can see the analysis, which is giving me the analyst ratings, its peer comparison, its technical indicators, real-time trades, its ladder, VWAP, deliveries, or the news about this company, the margin information, if the stock has futures and options contract, the information about it, its fundamentals. Once I am satisfied and made my decision that I have to buy this stock, I just have to simply click on buy button. As you open the order window, you will have the 3 options. Trading, that is your intraday trading. Investing, if you want to invest in the stock, you want to have this stock in your portfolio, select investing, or if you want this stock in MTF, you can select pay later. Right now, we'll simply invest in this stock. I'll select the quantities that I want to invest. I'll select the order type, market or limit. Market का मतलब है कि जो भी best available price होगा उस पर मेरा order execute होगा. Limit, the price that I want to execute this order, उस price पे execute होगा. You can have trigger is a stop loss order or super orders. I'll simply do it on market and place the instant buy button. There is a information about this company and my order is successfully placed. I have got the notification and I can check it in my orders tab that it is Eternal, is success and delivery product type, and it's available in my position as well. Okay, that is it for now. To explore more about this product, click on this link on the YouTube channel. Thank you very much.
So धन के प्रोडक्ट्स पर अपडेट काफी रेगुलरली आते रहते हैं और हो सकता है कि ये वीडियो आपने लेट देखा हो. तो अगर आप चाहते हैं कि धन के प्रोडक्ट्स की सारी अपडेट्स आपको मिले तो आप ज्वाइन करिए madefortrade.in. madefortrade.in एक वाइब्रेंट कम्युनिटी है ट्रेडर्स और इन्वेस्टर्स की, जिसमें हम ट्रेडिंग रिलेटेड, इन्वेस्टिंग रिलेटेड, चार्ट्स के एनालिसिस, मार्केट डिस्कशंस, पर्सनल फाइनेंस से रिलेटेड सारे डिस्कशंस करते हैं. सो बिना किसी देर करे आप जल्दी से जाइए और ज्वाइन करिए madefortrade.in. थैंक यू.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.